Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we learned question number 4 related with exercise number 6.4 related with chapter number 6 statistics class 10 mathematics. In today's video we are going to solve question number 5 related with the same exercise number 6.4. It tells that following are the marks out of 75 of 8 students and 2 subjects. Students are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the 8 students. In mathematics, the student average marks are 54, 63, 59, 45, 52, 35, 61, 68. And in physics subject, the average marks for the 8 students are 52, 55, 57, 51, 56, 58, 50 and 59. And that tells that compare the standard deviation of the marks and tell that in which subject students are more consistent. So we are going to find the standard deviation for mathematics subject students and physics subject students. So first we are going to find the standard deviation for mathematics subject students. So solution, taking the given row 54, 63, 59, 45, 52, 35, 61, 68 in the column. So let's suppose, and we will consider it as a x because this is the average, and average is represented by xi. Let's suppose x. So the first marks are 54 for mathematics subject, second is 63, the third one is 59, the fourth one is 45, the fifth one is 52, and the sixth one is 35, and after this the seventh one is 61, and the eighth one is 68 marks. So we are going to find a standard deviation. First we are going to find the average of these marks. So 60 plus 50 gives us 110, and our 50 plus 50 160 is 160, and 160 plus 40 it gives us 200, 200 plus 50 250, and plus 30 280, and plus 60 gives us 340, and 340 plus 60 it gives us 400. Now here is 8 and 1 9, 9 plus 5 it gives us 14, plus 2 16, plus 5 21, plus 9 30, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. So 8 37 with 8, so it will give us 437. So the total sum of x is 437. Now we are going to find xi minus x. So here xi minus x. Now this is actually the summation of x. First we are going to find the mean x. So the x will be the total sum 437 divided by the total number, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 8. So 437 divided by 8 gives us 54.6. By rounding up it will give us a value 55. So the x value is the xi value, which is actually the x. This is x bar. X bar means the arithmetic mean or the average. So xi minus x bar. So these are our xi values, initial values. So 54 minus, here is x is actually the average, which is 55. And for this case, 63 minus 55, and after this 59 minus average is 55. After this 45 minus our average is 55. After this our 52 minus average is 55. After this we have 35 and minus our average is 55, and divided by 61 minus 55, and here 68 minus 55. So now we are going to find their whole square, xi minus x whole square. So summation of xi minus x whole square we are going to find. So 54 minus 55 gives us minus 1, and minus 1 whole square gives us just 1. And here 63 minus 55 it will give us 5, 6, 7, 8. It gives us 8. And here is square, so 8 square gives us 64. And after this 59 minus 55 gives us 4, and 4 square gives us 16. After this 45 minus 55 gives us minus 10, and minus 10 whole square gives us 100 value. And here 35 minus 55 it gives us minus 20. Now here we left with 52 minus 55, so it gives us a minus 3, and minus 3 whole square gives us a value 9. Here is 35 minus 55, here gives us minus 20, and minus 20 whole square gives us 400. And here is 61 minus 55, so it gives us 6, and 6 square gives us 36. And after this 68 minus 55, it will give us 65, and it gives us 13, and 13 square gives us 169. Now we are going to find the summation. So for summation we will add all these values. So 400 and 500, 569 and plus 36. So it will give us 5, 1, 6, 7 and 10, 1 and here 605. So 400, 500, 569 plus 36 gives us 605 and add 9 with 8, so it will give us 614 and plus 100, so 714 and plus 16, so it will give us 730 and 65, so 730 plus 65. So it will give us 5 and 9 and 7, 7, 9 and 5. So this is the summation of xi minus x whole square, which is actually 7, 9 and 5. Summation of xi minus x whole square is 7, 9 and 5. Now after this we are going to find the standard deviation. So for the standard deviation we have a formula, summation of xi minus x whole square, which is 795 and divided by n. Our n is actually the total values, which is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, so 8. Now divide them by each other, so 8 divided by 7, 9 and 5. So 8 multiply 8, 9, it gives us 9, it gives us 72. 79 minus 72 gives us a value 7, and here is a 5. So 8 multiply 9, it gives us 72, and after this we have 3, 0 and point 8 multiply 8 multiply 3 gives us 24, and after this move on to solve this. So it gives us a standard deviation 99.3. So the answer over here for the mathematics student is standard deviation is equal to 99.3. Now we are going to find the standard deviation for physics student. So draw a column over here. Let's suppose these are xi values. The first value is 52. After this the second value is 55, and after this we have 57. After this we have 51. After this we have 56. After this we have 58. After this we have a 50, and after this we have a 59. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 values. Now after this we are going to find xi minus x. Xi minus x. First we are going x bar. X bar means the arithmetic mean over here. So 52, 50 plus 50, it gives us 100. 100 plus 100, it gives us 250, and 300 and 400. Here is 9 and 8, it gives us 17. 17 plus 6, it gives us 23, 4. 24 and 31, and 31, here is 36, and plus 2 it gives us 38. So 838, it gives us 438. So this is actually xi. Summation of xi is 438. Now after this we are going to find its mean. So for mean x bar is equal to 438 divided by total values are 8. So 438 divided by 8, it will give us 438 divided by 8. So 8 multiply 5 gives us 40. 43 minus 40 gives us 3 and 8. So 8 multiply 4, it gives us a value 32, and after this it gives us 0 and 6 and 0 and point. 8 multiply 7 gives us 56. Now after this move on to solve it. So it also gives a 54.7. So by rounding up it will give us a value 55. So the arithmetic mean in this case is also a 55. X bar is equal to 55. Now here we will subtract each of the value. 52 minus 55 gives us minus 3. 52 minus 55, because xi is 52 and x bar is 55. So 52 minus 55 gives us minus 3. 55 minus 55 gives us 0. 57 minus 55 2. 51 minus 55 gives us a value. 51 minus 55 gives us minus 4. 56 minus 55 gives us 1. 58 minus 55 gives us 3. 50 minus 55 gives us minus 5. 59 minus 55 gives us a value 4. Now after this we are going to find the square of xi minus x whole square over here. So xi minus x whole square. So minus 3 whole square gives us 9, 0 square gives us 0, 2 square gives us 4, minus 4 square gives us 16, 1 square gives us 1, 3 square gives us 9, minus 5 square gives us 25, and 4 square gives us 16. Now after this we are going to find the summation of xi minus x whole square, means the addition of all these values. So 9 plus 4 gives us 13, and after this we have 16. So 16 plus 13 gives us 29 plus 1 30, 30 plus 25, so 40, 50 and 55, 55 plus a 9 gives us 64, and 64 plus 16 gives us a value 80. So it gives us a value 80, summation of xi minus x whole square. Now we are using the same formula for finding the standard deviation. So our standard deviation will be xi minus x whole square, which is 80, and divided by n. N is actually the total values, which is 8, which is 8. So 80 divided by 10 gives us a standard deviation is equal to 80 divided by 10 gives us a 10. So for the physics student the standard deviation is 10, and for mathematics student the standard deviation is 99.3. So here the standard deviation of mathematics student is 99.3, and here standard deviation for physics student is 10. Here it is greater from the physics student, so it means that they required compare the standard deviation of the marks and tell in which subject the students are more consistent. So in mathematics student the students are more consistent because they get a higher standard deviation over here, and physics students are not more consistent. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about mathematics. Thank you.